Hello, I am your Rupa madam. Today I would like you to discuss about how to remember periodic table easily. See, this is the modern periodic table. This is the modern periodic table which was given by Moseley, which consists of 7 periods. These are horizontal rows and 18 groups. These are vertical columns. Generally, this periodic table consists of 4 blocks. One is S block, another one is P block, another one is D block, and another one is F block elements. S block means it is completely based upon lost electron only. The differentiating electron, if the differentiating electrons enters into S subshell, then it is called S block elements. If the differentiating electron enters into P subshell, then it is called P block elements. If the differentiating electron enters into D subshell, then it is called D block elements. And if the differentiating electron enters into F subshell, then it is called F block elements. See, first of all, see. In a nutshell, I am giving some sentences. If you remember this sentence, then you can remember the periodic table easily. First of all, see this first A group element. Here, if you remember this, his last son plays rugby, cricket and football. Here, if you take the first word of this, every word, first alphabet if you take, then you can recognize the, or you can easily remember the first A group elements. Here, hydrogen, lithium, C. See, along the sentence, if this first element or first alphabet, if you remember, then you can easily remember the first A group, second A group and all groups, and generally all periods also. See, first A group, if you remember this sentence, then it is hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. If you remember this second A group sentence, but my calm son begs for rugby. If you remember this, then you can easily remember the second A group. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Next, see, P block elements. About the P block elements. That means if the differentiating electron enters into P subshell, then it is called P block elements. See this. If you remember this sentence, then you can easily remember the P block elements. See, for example, for group 13 third B, brother Andrew got intelligent thought. That means boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. For fourth B group, can sun go to left? Can sun go to left? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. For fifth group or fifth B group or group 15, nobody passed away, answer back. That means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. For sixth B group, see, oh, somebody should tell possible answer. See the sixth group, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Next is for seventh B group. For seventh B or group 17, fish can't breathe in air. Fish can't breathe in air. For seventh B, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene. For 18th group or 8th B group, if you remember, he never arrived, so kid xeroxed randomly. That means helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. This is about P block elements. If you observe the D block element, if you observe the D block elements, if you observe these sentences, then you can easily remember the periodic table. See the D block elements. First period of D block elements. That means D block means if the differentiating electrons enters into D subshell, then it is called D block elements. First period of D block elements, if you want to remember the first period of D block elements, please remember this sentence. Scary, tiny, vicious creatures may fear cows, nice, cute zebras. That means here see, this is the first period of D block elements from scandium to zinc. That means scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. For second period of D block elements, see this sentence. For second period of D block elements, yes, zebras never, but most technicians run rhymes purely sweet and cute. That means here for second period of D block elements starts from yttrium and ends with cadmium. That is yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver and cadmium. See the third period of the D block elements, or we can say it as 5D series of periodic table. Please note that it starts with lanthanum. That means after lanthanum, these are all lanthanides. which are present in F block elements. After lanthanum, which are present in F block element, these are all lanthanides. Similarly, after actinium, these are all actinide series. See this, I am denoting it as this one, dots. For 6th period, Larry, have fun, traveling world, reach out, Ireland, please ask her. This is the keyword or key sentence for remembering the 6th period of the D block elements. See, this is one, lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. It starts with lanthanum and ends with mercury. Next, see, for actinium, for 7D series or 7th period, 6D series, 7th period, if you take atomic number from 89 to 103, this is also I am denoting as dots only. See, this one, act really dead, so bear forgets his meat. Here these dots are representing actinoids. These dots are simply I make this as dots as actinoids only, remaining all this one. This is one. That is actinium, rutherfordium, dubnium, siaborgium, borium, hassium, yttrium. Up to this only I wrote. These are all discovering nowadays. See this F block elements. For F block elements, lanthanides and actinides. Here, last century presented new democratic prime minister's social measures. European government decided to ban deteriorated yellow hotels, establishing refurnish, time making yellow building luxurious. Means here see, for this cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. This is from 58 to 71. For actinides, if you see, for actinides, acute thunder passed under new president. Pure Americans created many breathtaking keepsakes, changing for special foreign mystical magnetic diamonds, namely of lurid rocks. This is the key sentence for the actinides. If you remember that sentence, then you can easily remember this actinide series. It starts from 92, ends with 103. That is thorium, protactinium, europium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, mendelevium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium. If you remember this tricks, or if you remember this, that means I am taking as I am observing that so many students do not remember these type of periodic table whole. If you want to remember the periodic table at once, then you can easily remember these key cells or key nutshell sentences. If you remember these sentences, then you can easily remember the periodic table, or easily remember the periodic table means you can answer any questions given from the periodic table. Thank you all. If you like this video, please give a small like and subscribe me. Thank you all.